How to update Netflix household. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to update Netflix household. So first thing, just open up Netflix from any of your browser and just click on sign in button to successfully sign into account first. And once you successfully sign into account, just tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner. And once you tap on this, click on this account section from the top left corner again. And if you are inside your profile section, and if you have any other accounts that need to be managed, you can just tap on that and now simply select this devices option over here and just click on the first option, that is access and device, that is manage sign in devices. And once you're inside here, you can basically access all of your sign in devices account, and you can sign out of any unfamiliar devices or change your password for that added security, and you can simply update the new account on this same particular device accordingly. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.